Immediately after the concert, we're now in Malumanay Street, the residence of Atty Oscar Palabia. We're outside. Starting up. Madilim, hindi nyo makikilala. Just determine the shapes of the heads of these people.
Hello.
Huh? Ito yung annotator namin, naka-profile lang. Chu, say hello to the San Franciscans. We'll bring this there.
Hello, everybody! Umaandar na ba?
Umaandar na yan.
Hello, hello!
There you go. That's my cousin right there, in the flesh.
My children, my family, my wife.
Hi. Hindi pala. Malaki hirap ng asawa mo. Hello. Say hi to Ligaya.
Guy, I miss you!
There you
Come
go.
back!
Okay. And now, inside the house. So say hello to San Francisco. We'll be showing it there. Naglalaro na naman ng game. Say hello to Gaia.
Hi, Gaia.
Gaia, come back!
Hiburcio. Ayan, so kumuha na soda. Manuel Gallardo, Insan Ching.
Mami mo!
Ah, kinuha na natin yan. Yung boy, the director right there. And my mom. Hello, mommy.
Thank you.
Say hello. Say hello to San Francisco. Kuy Dennis. Video to, video.
Hello, Dennis! How are ya?
Napadala ko sa kanya. Okay, now. Moving on. Ay, hindi naman nagsasalita. Hindi ko muna kukunan.
Oo, sarap oh.
There's sunshine. Say hello to Ligaya. Some more food. Look at that. Lugaw for the kukurso.
Small world nga. Yung derma daw ng derma ni B. Tita Claire.
Wow. And our follower, Mr. Antolin. The maestro. Yeah? Pare, yan. Binibidayo natin. Ako, lagpas na ako sa...
Don't laugh. I wanted to watch it yesterday. Toby was there.